Hey guys, welcome to the Spirit Pumpkin Challenge Part 3 video. So this is how he is looking so far. So I still gotta do the mustache and beard hairs. But today we're gonna start off with the other part of it, and it's gonna be a ghost coming out of a pumpkin right here. And this part is gonna be where I mount the wood sign, and then maybe have a notch and some kind of support to attach that to the wood sign as well. So we'll figure that out a little bit later. So for right now, we're going to get right into the carving and shape out this ghost and the pumpkin. Alright, so let's get to it. I'll do a fast forward of the process of it and just sit back and enjoy. Starting off with this cut saw extreme rotor saw. I'm going to block out the ghosts like so. And we'll switch over to the extreme cylinder burr and going to clean the bark off and do some shaping of the pumpkin and ghost. Okay, here is where I'm at so far. I drew in some more lines on the ghost and going to use the extreme flame burr and get to carving. Alright, so this ghost out of a pumpkin was suggested by Just Carve Rob. Hi Rob! Go check out his cool carving videos on his channel. Alright, so I'm carving in the mouth and eyes, carving deeper around the ghost to make it pop out more, and going around shaping it all up. Getting under the neck, smoothing things out. Alright, going deeper, getting in between these ghost hands. Alright, so cutting deeper and then smoothing it away. so now I have the original cone burr in and going around the piece and rounding everything up and going inside the eyes and the mouth. So that's what I'll be doing with this burr. Now I put in this metal carbide burr and gonna carve the teeth. Alrighty, yep, going around the teeth, doing the details here. I'll get this done real quick, shape them up. Here's another burr, another carbide burr, and I'm gonna start shaping up some of these hairs. Detail for the hairs. And carving in this slot here a little bit deeper for the support piece that I will later attach to the wood sign. Yep. Alright, now we're going to go back to more detailing the hair with this carbide burr. Alright, that fits in good. Alright, let's get back to the detailing of the beard hairs. Making these lines, making these fine hairs. Alright, now quickly drilling my pilot holes for the screws to attach the sign. I'll screw it in with this right here. Alright, I'll do the other side. And I'll figure this out. So let's get back to some carving. Yeah, alright. So now we're back with a smaller carving burr and going back and forth, layering the hairs, overlapping, giving it that great hair detail that I like to do. Alrighty, so big shout out to Carving Fusion, Jordy Johnson, and the Carving Fusion World of Wood Carvers. You guys are doing great jobs. Alrighty, so everything is coming together. Most of the carving is done now. Going to end this video here, and in the next video we'll finish it up with sanding, paint, sealing it up, and putting it all together. So Pumpkin Spirit Challenge continues. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.